Okay, finally, the wait is over. We just got our first real-life look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and something is definitely different. Leaked photos of a third-party case give us a huge hint about a major design change on the back. Also, in addition to that, the S26 series has a miracle codename, and we'll tell you what that means. And there's an excellent chance we're finally getting true Qi 2 wireless charging without any extra cases. Let's dive into all these leaks. First up, let's start with the big one, the Galaxy S26 Ultra design. A newly leaked picture of a third-party case, courtesy of @Tarul from X, lends a lot of support to earlier rumors. The image shows the phone in black, and it appears to have a design cue from the Galaxy S25 Edge and the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Specifically, the picture shows a flat-sided phone with rounded corners and a key detail, an island-like hump on the back for 3 of the 4 cameras. The power button and volume rockers are also visible on the right side. While we're looking at the case, other leaks suggest the Ultra will feature a slightly improved camera setup over its predecessor, an M14 OLED display, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in some regions, and the same reliable 5,000 mAh battery as the S25 Ultra. Now, let's talk about the S26 series' internal codename. For months, the phones have been associated with the short codenames M1, M2, and M3. Colleagues at Galaxy Club discovered that the M stands for Miracle. While it's a cool name, it doesn't actually reveal anything about the phones themselves. It could suggest Samsung is hoping for a miracle next year, or maybe the phones will be miraculously different, which some rumors have hinted at. Speaking of rumors, the overall S26 lineup is still shrouded in mystery, even though an early next year launch is almost certain. While some reports suggested the Plus model might be replaced by an Edge, the unofficial narrative is shifting again, with more recent reports suggesting we may get the usual Base, Plus, and Ultra models. The future of the Edge model, however, remains highly uncertain, and our sources tell us that the Edge is canceled. It's quite a miracle that we're still missing so many pieces this close to the expected announcement. Finally, we have some good news for wireless charging. Samsung's latest flagship phones support Qi 2 wireless charging, but they require a separate magnetic case. The good omen is that Samsung has just launched 2 new Qi 2-enabled wireless chargers in the US. A compact single wireless charger for $34.99 and a car wireless charger for $84.99 that has a 360-degree rotating mount. While these new chargers are compatible with all of this year's flagships, they currently still require a separate magnetic case. However, the launch of this hardware strongly suggests that the Galaxy S26 series may bring the integrated magnets needed to support true Qi 2 wireless charging without any extra accessories, making it both easier and cheaper for users. So, what's the big takeaway? The Galaxy S26 Ultra appears set for a design shift with a new camera island, and the entire series could finally deliver true case-free Qi 2 wireless charging, which would be a game changer. The only thing still up in the air are the final lineup details and what that miracle codename will actually translate into. Are you excited about the new design? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive helped you catch up on the latest Galaxy S26 news, please tap that like button and subscribe for all the most up-to-date Galaxy S26 news. Thanks for watching. Peace out.